Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a VidIQ account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you search in Google VidIQ and you need to open that. Click in login and you need to log in into your VidIQ account. So once you log in, you can see that there is no option to click on settings, but you are unable to find any options to how to delete your account. So the only method possible is to click on this icon in the right bottom corner and explain your issue to the team of VidIQ, and they will help you to delete your VidIQ account. So you need to send message and they will help you to delete your VidIQ account. So this is the only method possible. So this is a process by which you can delete a VidIQ account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.